So today we're going to be pressure washing the Mk6 GTI. As you can see, it's looking pretty good right now, honestly. It's not too bad at all, really. Well, at a first glance at least, you know, when you get up here close. This thing is grimy and just disgusting and needs to be washed. Also, it's going to be getting pretty dang cold out here soon. As you can see, the leaves are already starting to change out here. So this thing needs a good cleaning here before I can't really take it and hand wash it or anything like that. And you'll also notice, if you've been following this thing, that I got some black rims on here. My friend Caleb graciously loaned me these because I actually popped this rear tire over here on my set of stock wheels, and I'm going to throw winter tires on my stock wheels. So for now, I just needed a set of wheels, and he loaned me these, and these honestly look really good on this car, I have to say. Like, take a look at those. I mean, really, you cannot complain about how good these look. So anyways, the washing method that we're going to be doing today is, as you guys can see, we've got a pressure washer out here. So this pressure washer is Honda powered. So we're going to hit VTEC in this thing and pressure wash the hell out of the Mk6. Definitely going to get up in here, as you can see, and clean all of that crap out. And then after that, I'm going to use a wash mitt and give it a nice touch wash. And after that, I'll put some ceramic wax on it, and she should be looking real good. So let's wash this thing. Well, everybody, it looks like we're out of gas, but yeah, we were out of gas just in time because this thing is all power washed up, so it doesn't really need to be power washed anymore. I got the wheels the best I could because they were really quite dirty. I'll give them a good scrub down too once I'm done washing the paint. But other than that, you know, she's nice and clean and ready to be touch washed, but we're looking pretty good so far. much all of the paint has been cleaned up and washed. It's time to try to take a stab at these wheels here and see if we can't clean them up at all. They're really, really disgusting, honestly, but that's what a couple of winters will do to a set of black wheels like this. So we'll just take our best shot, kind of scrub them down with a wash mitt a little bit. Now that we've done everything else, we can, do the wheels. Say this is super satisfying to look at, huh? Just like all soaped up black wheels here. Yeah, super cool to see. Well, let's spray this wheel off and tackle the others. Well, here we are, guys. Everything's been cleaned, the wheels, the paint and everything. All I have to do now is dry it and wax it off. These wheels are looking a little bit better. We'll have to see what it looks like when they're all dried off, but nevertheless, they're going to look good, especially just from a couple feet back there. They even look good when they were dirty. When I get some like legit wheels for my car in the spring, I need some poke that's at least like this. Like, man, that just looks way too good in terms of poke. So, yeah, let's dry and wax this thing off. Alright, now, to dry this thing off, I'm going to be using a Sham Sham. Now, I know what you're thinking, oh, the Sham Sham's going to ruin your paint. Don't worry, this Sham Sham, I make sure it's spotless every time I use it. There's nothing on this Sham Sham. Well, check it out. She's all dried off and is really coming together here. It's looking really clean, really nice and shiny. I love this car when it just doesn't have a speck of dirt on it. Look at that reflection. Oh, man. Let's take a look at these wheels here after they've sort of dried up and see how clean they've gotten. They're definitely better, but there's just a lot of caked on stuff that's hard to get off with these wheels, but they're definitely better. Some came out better than others. This one came out a lot better for sure. This one's came out all right. This one over here definitely, I don't know why it's the dirtiest wheel, but it definitely is. Take a look at that. So I'm just using some of this Meguiar's ceramic detailer over here. It's got ceramic in it for sure. It definitely helps out a little bit. It's definitely better than regular spray wax. Obviously, it's not like legit ceramic, but... And if you're wondering what I used just to wash it, I used just some of this cheap wash and wax. Alrighty, let's get to waxing this thing.